Hi everyone, this is a short video on how to make daisy chain, a lost art. So because I was in the forest, I picked up some flowers. It's not okay to pick up flowers just for fun, so I usually do not do it, but these are considered to be weeds and I just wanted to use it for nature inspired experience that can be done with children. So this is how you do it. So you pick one, then you tie it around, twist and turn, so you should have a loop like that. Then next one you position to the left, twist and turn as well, so you have to develop a kind of a chain like that. Then next to the left, turn and twist, and then next one, similar manner, turn and twist. So this is weaving of a daisy chain. Yeah, so again once. So once you created a chain, so you can secure it at the end, so through weaving as well. These are not really good for daisy chain. So where I'm from, European part of Russia, it's easy to find dandelions that are more kind of moldable, but this is still a daisy chain you can put on your head. Have fun!